comes.
Oh my.
Don't let those hit you. They will kick your ass.
Oh my God.
They're huge.
Ah.
Oh man, that's gonna dent our cars bad.
We should have got them to the garage.
Look, we can.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh God.
We got damage. No doubt about it.
Hang on. This is a bad hailstorm. Bad one. Biggest dad can. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
There's nothing you can do about it.
Oh my God. Clearly, oh my God. It makes me want to say holy crap.
Let's go. Let's go. Pull up on the tree. Why do you pull off the road like that? They're trying to make it get under the tree.
Holy.
No, they kept.
I literally do not want to eat this ice.
I'm trying to get our vehicle recorded.
Want to try mine?
Ah, no thank you.
After this storm, it's
Here,
not
Daddy.
easy to do.
Hey.
Oh, tail.
Crap. Whoa!
It's getting better.
I can't believe this is our first hailstorm. I've never seen anything like this.
Oh, video. Obviously.
I saw it on Dino Trucks. It's called a hailstorm.
Tail.
Hail! It's hail!
That's
Remember
what it
the
said.
ice. It's kind of similar to ice storm, but literally, hailstorm. Before the snow.
I don't know if I did or not.
The trucks are getting beat up.
Ooh! Holy moly!
You made a run in the middle of the yard right there?
What?
You have an umbrella in there?
No, it's in my truck. We're going.
Go get me a towel.
Go get Daddy a towel.
Hurry.
Hurry! Ethan. Oh!
How's that too much equipment?
What should we do after your vehicles are dented?
We called the insurance company and let them do their job. Daddy's gonna go get a couple pieces of hail so we can document how big the hail pieces were up close.
You've been through the hail before?
Yes.
Photo and video.
Video.
Wow.
Stop.
Ethan,
Hang on, video.
look with the
Yeah,
eyes.
Stop.
Okay, I'm gonna get a picture. Stop this. I'm gonna get a picture.